Here I am again, and we're doing another hotel room tour video because for my last night here in Dubai I'm staying at the Premier Inn at the airport because I have an early flight and it was more comfortable for me to get here the day before in the evening so I can get sleep, then wake up in the morning, just take the hotel's shuttle to the airport and be on my way. Also, I really like the Seef Heritage Hotel, but the thing is, it costs a lot more than the Premier Inn. Surprise, surprise. And also I had the option with the breakfast, but the breakfast starts at 7 and obviously I wouldn't have been able to use that, so waste of money. Also, it would have been more stressful to get up even earlier, get a taxi and everything like that. Make sure, the time I would be trying to get to the airport, I don't think there would be that much traffic. But anyway, so I got a room at the Premier Inn, as I said, and we're gonna take a look now. So when you walk in, here's the door. I don't want to film down on the hallway now because it's already people sleeping, I guess, and you can hear quite a lot from what's going on in the hallway. Anyway, so the door, the thingy for your luggage. Again, here's my backpack and those two that I have to take on the plane with me because in Vienna it's gonna be a lot colder than here in Dubai. Then here we have the coffee and tea station. Just made myself some mint tea that I stole from the Hilton. Here they have black tea only. And they have just instant coffee, sugar, milk, water, and here's a fridge. So let's continue. We have a mirror and a wardrobe. That's the first time looking at the wardrobe because obviously I'm not planning on using it. Here we have a safe, again, something I don't use, but I guess it's good that it's here. Then, so many mirrors. Let's look at me. Okay, no, I already look a bit rough today, and after this video I'm gonna have a shower, so let's not look at me. But yeah, here you have some more storage if you needed it, and also the hair dryer is down here for some reason. Well, we have a TV, my backpack that I have to finish packing, and ta-da, the bed. I already sat here, that's why it's not as pretty anymore, but it feels comfortable. Here's some cheap artwork, but it's fine. Here we have a strange sofa thingy, which is really uncomfortable. I guess it sleeps someone else, like it would sleep another person, but even just sitting on it is not very comfortable. I mean, I don't know if me pressing down showed anything, but yeah, it's not great. I guess it's bouncy, if there's children who want to jump around, or who knows what else can be done. Okay, so here's the window. You won't be able to see anything, but I think right next door is the Holiday Inn. Yeah, not the best view. She, at reception, she gave me... At reception, she gave me the option of a quiet room, which apparently this is, or the airport view, and I was like, I don't give a shit. So she gave me the quiet room, so I guess that's that. And here we have the desk area. Here's the clothes I'm gonna wear tomorrow. I just had to do something on my laptop that I have to pack now. Then here's the book that I brought with me on my travels. I do love myself some Jack Kerouac, and yeah, as you can tell, I used it, well, I read it, obviously, and took it to the beach, and that's why it looks a bit rough. And here we have my diary slash journal, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, don't take your stuff on the beach, but it shows that it's been around with me for a while, and it shows character and life, so that's great. Here's a phone, not gonna use that. I was, well, charging my power bank, water, because somehow I'm forgetting to drink while I'm here, and I've had like 4 or 5 coffees, but not enough water. Also, stuff I need to pack. Here's my little travel scale. So my big backpack was 11 kilos when I left Vienna. Now it's 16. Okay, so now let's go to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Toilet, bidet, mirror, another mirror, a lot of mirrors in here. I think in every single tour I've done, you see my bikini hanging up to dry, because this hotel, let me talk to you like a normal person. This hotel actually has a pool on the rooftop, and it's really nice, has a great view. I did go up with this camera to film a little bit, but there were other people, and obviously I'm not gonna film strangers in a pool. I do have a clip which I'm gonna insert now. And also the skyline and the view from the pool was really great. Then up there was also a gym that's open 24 hours. It's very small. I did take a look, but there was a guy working out, so I was like, okay, bye. And just as I started filming, the shower started dripping. And one thing I've noticed earlier, which I think is kind of funny but also kind of nice, is here they have shower instructions. I don't think I've seen that anywhere else ever. And another thing, I don't know, it seems to be a Dubai thing, a phone next to the toilet. If someone can explain to me why they do that here, that would be great. Leave it in the comments. I don't know if I'm just stupid, or I don't know why. I've traveled to quite a lot of countries. I've been all over Europe, east, west, north, central, everywhere. I've been to Southeast Asia. Obviously I've been to Mauritius, but I've never seen phones next to toilets. I guess maybe as like an emergency thing, if something happens to you, but why would it happen to you while you while you're on the toilet? I mean, I guess when you're in the shower and you slip or something, but on the toilet? Also, I don't want to call anyone while I'm sitting on the toilet, but okay. Let's go back. Okay, let me grab my tea and then let's go back. Okay. Okay, so my setup is not ideal. You would probably love if you would see this right now, because I have my Insta360 like that. Then here's my phone to keep it in that angle, so it's kind of leaning on the phone, and then in the back there's the water bottle so it doesn't fall down, but it does the job. Yeah, so this hotel also has a 24-hour Costa coffee, which I think is amazing, because that's where I'm gonna have breakfast at like 4 in the morning. If I don't forget, I might film some, but don't count on it. There's also apparently 2 restaurants. For some reason, today I think they only served food from one of them. They're right next to each other, and I think they share kitchens. It's just different brands. I went to the restaurant for dinner, and I I brought my phone, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just do a short little clip, because obviously I'm not gonna talk or film other people because I'm embarrassed and you don't do that and whatever. But then I was just so hungry. I ordered my food, it arrived, and I just started eating, and then I looked at it and I was like, oh, I didn't even take a photo. So yeah, nothing to include here, but I did just have a chicken burger, so nothing special at all. And there were quite a few other people having dinner, and it's kind of funny because for some reason it made me feel like an adult. I mean, I'm kind of old-ish, but I still feel like a teenager most of the time who hasn't figured anything out. But then when I'm at an airport hotel having dinner at the airport hotel restaurant, for some reason it made me feel very mature, because I guess other people are here for business and that's just like what they are doing. I'm not here for business, but it gave me the same kind of feeling. Yeah, that's it for now, I think. I'm gonna have to. I can't speak anymore. It's too late. I'm gonna finish my tea, have a shower. Hopefully pick up the camera again tomorrow. If not, bye. If I do, there's gonna be a clip here.